Hi, my name is Andrew, also known as the artist And I Drew. I teach art. And I'm going to be teaching kids art live over Zoom. And before that, I just want to give you a short little preview of what I'll be doing. I hope you enjoy. So for today's short preview, I'm just going to show you how to do a couple of Pesach drawings, and then you can be able to do a little card just like this. Nice little card, you could put stuff inside, really easy. I'm only going to show you how to do the matzah and the pyramid today, but then in other videos I'll be able to show you a lot more, and eventually we'll learn a whole lot of stuff, be able to draw a lot together step by step, make it all super easy. It'll be amazing. This is how you do a pyramid. First, I'm going to start off with just a triangle. Just a triangle, see? Another thing about a pyramid is that in addition to just a triangle, there's a little thing going back of it so you can tell it has more dimension to it. It's called two-dimensional. So we're just gonna start with a little line going back. Just like that, that's it. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna connect these two lines. If you want, you can use a ruler or something to help you out, and there you have a little pyramid. It's a very basic shape, one of the most basic shapes, and in other videos I'll try to do even more basic shapes. So now we have our three-dimensional pyramid. We'll add some maybe little lines to it, like little bricks. And then there you have the pyramid. And we also have the Kiddush cup. Kiddush cup, very simple. It's like a little U, and then you do a little like oval at the top. You want to do a stem coming down. See, it does two little lines, and then another little oval at the bottom, just like that. Super easy, super simple. Now the matzah is even easier. For this video, I'm just gonna do square matzahs, like Yehuda matzahs. There you just have a little square. You could add another one behind it, and another one behind it. So super easy. And for the little dots you put in, this is the best part, you just add some dots. Super easy, super fun, super simple. And then once you have that all down, you could add some color it in, add some shading, add some shadow, and it'll be amazing. And then if you want to learn how to do the text, to make it three-dimensional, to make it a card, like 3D cards in other videos, and if you want to learn even more things, just stay tuned for more videos, which should come soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Happy Pesach.